How to expand, contract, and further a selection on Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to select the layer that you want to select an object on. So as you have selected the layer by clicking on it, then here you have to go to the selection tool. So there are different kind of selection tool: object selection tool, quick selection tool, and magic wand tool. There is another option that is a lasso tool, that is also a selection tool, polygon and magic lasso tool. These are also the selection tool. So I'm going with the object selection tool, and then I'm going to select the face of this man over here for the selection. As I have selected the face of this person, now there are different kinds of option. I have to go to select, and I have to go to modify, that is right over here. Then there is an option of expand. So I can expand this selection by, let's say, 8 pixel or even more, whatever I want, and then I have to hit OK so that it can be expanded. For similar, I have to go to select, then again to the modify, and then there is an option of contract. I can contract this selection to, let's say, 12% or 11%, and then it will be contracted. I have to select OK and then cancel this, because I'm not going to contract this one. And then I have to go to modify, and then there is an option of feather. There is also a shortcut of Shift plus F6. You can also click on that and feather the selections you want, and then you have to select the radius of your feather, and then you have to click OK, then it will select feathering. This is how you can contract, expand, or even feather your selection on Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.